Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my lovely channel. I'm Chef Comfort of Lina's Cut TV, and here I teach you how to make delicious recipes in a snap. Now I'm going to be sharing with you my hot chocolate brownies recipe. It is so easy and very delicious. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell. Let's get right into the cooking action. Welcome back, guys. Let's get right into it. This is so easy and very straightforward. In a clean bowl, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of melted butter. Now you want to melt your butter by putting it in your microwave and let it cool down before using it for this mixture. I'm also adding 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of chocolate essence. Now give this a good mix. Quick tip, guys, do you know you can use this mixture on your French toast? It is absolutely delicious. Right now I'm going to be adding 3 medium-sized eggs. Give that a very good mix. Now you want to break your eggs in a separate bowl before putting in here because you don't want your shells getting into this batter. So I always advise my foodies to meal prep before beginning every or any recipe at all. So get a sieve and add your hot chocolate powder. Hot chocolate powder, guys, not cocoa powder. This is the magic in these brownies. It is so delicious. You're gonna love it, trust me. I also added half cup of hot chocolate powder, 1 cup of flour, and a teaspoon of salt. Sieve that away. You see those unwanted stones and sands. We don't want them inside that batter. Give that a very good mix. Take your time and whisk away. You want it to be creamy and you want all the lumps to melt into that batter. So we're just gonna mix this and mix this and mix this. Now you can see the color is not dark brown or coffee brown. It is light brown because it is hot chocolate brownies. It is still brown, so we can still call it brownies, right? So you're gonna get a cake pan, line it with your parchment paper and pour in that batter into I just like to use a spatula to give you the start by swirling it round. I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. When it's ready, put in a toothpick or a stick. If it comes out clean like this, then your brownies is ready. Guys, look at how gorgeous this looks. And one more thing, look at my cake pan, how neat it is. No burnt, nothing. Good timing, efficient timing, very delicious batter. No mess at all. So I'm gonna give this a taste right now because I cannot even wait to add my toppings. I just want this to go straight into my mouth. Guys, look at how fluffy, fudgy it is. It is so moist. And let's taste it. Delicious, guys, very delicious. I just like to add a little bit of powdered sugar. Just give it. You can add whatever toppings you want to. You can use whipped cream, you can use berries, you can use ice cream, you can use maple syrup. Just do you. This is absolutely delicious and it is so versatile. I hope you enjoy this recipe, guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe, turn on your notifications bell so you do not miss any of my lovely videos. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.